Hello and welcome to White Stores. My name's Rob and this is the Zeus Lounging Collection. Zeus is designed with ultimate luxury and convenience in mind. The combination of a solution dyed acrylic fabric and a quick dry foam means that you can leave Zeus outside all year round. Solution dyed acrylic is ideal for outdoor use as it doesn't stain or fade in sunlight. Quick dry foam allows rainwater to drain straight through the sofa and dries within 30 to 60 minutes of sunlight. Finally, we use a weatherproof aluminium frame that doesn't rust and can also stay outside all year round. This combination of materials gives you the ultimate convenience factor. The Zeus Lounging Collection is made up of 5 modular sofa units and can be laid out in any configuration to build a sofa to the size that suits you. Within the modular collection, we have a 3-seater sofa, a 2-seater left arm unit and a 2-seater right arm sofa unit, a left arm chaise sofa and a right arm unit as well, which can be combined together to make this beautiful daybed. This lounging collection makes a statement in any garden. The light grey upholstery offers a neutral tone that complements the surrounding natural elements while staying cool under sunlight. For maximum comfort, we've used a weatherproof spring system in the seat of the Zeus sofas. The sofa's clean lines and low profile frame reflect a contemporary streamlined style, ideal for modern outdoor settings. This effect is achieved through deep vertical channel tufting that segments each seat and backrest into plush, rounded cushions, reminiscent of cumulus clouds, and a subtle minimalist style that suits any modern garden. The Zeus collection is available exclusively at White Stores and comes with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Visit your local White Stores or shop online with more ways to pay than ever before.